Welcome to the video, guys. Let's have a look and see what's going in this bag. That's my Canon 300mm f2.8 lens, prime lens, just 300mm. It's my Canon 70-200 IS f2.8. My Canon 1DX Mark 1. There's a Mark 2 and even a Mark 3 now, of course, but that's a 1DX Mark 1. A Canon 7D Mark 2. Just for reference, that will go on my 300mm, and my 1DX will go on my 70-200 lens. Another 7D2, so Canon 7D Mark II. I'll actually use this one for a remote camera behind the goal. My Canon 10-22mm, I think this is f3.5 to f5.6, 3.5 at the wide end at 10mm. I'll use that for the remote camera. That's the lens hood that goes on it. Going to tuck it in there with the 300mm. These are my triggers, so I'm using the Pocket Wizards. I believe these ones are the like the Pocket Wizard X or the Mark III. I can't remember exactly, but I've got two of those in there in the little pouch just to keep all the bits together, and the wire cable that goes with them. I'll use that for the remote camera. It's my accessories pouch. If you don't know about my accessories pouch, go check out the video. I will link it at the end of this one. That's an air blower, just in case I need to get any dust off when I'm out there actually sort of by the pitch. There's also a brush in that little pouch as well. Everything's got its tiny little place, so it all fits. The mat goes down on top, just to protect the gear from the stuff in the top of the hood. And there we go.